Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining in. So today I'm going to show you how I took dollar bills, only $5 bills, and made these two flowers. One, I made this rose in my last video, and I showed you how I folded and made the curls, but I'm going to show you how to put it on a stem in this video, and I'm also going to show you how I made this flower that only took about 5 minutes to make. Come on in, and I'm going to show you how I took $5 bills and made this flower. So I used 5 $1 bills to make the flower that I am showing you in this video, as well as the flower, the rose flower that I made in my last video to do the corsage. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to put it on the stem. You're going to need a skewer, or you can use a quilting tool to curl the petals for the flower. And I find that you can also use a toothpick. Now, also you're gonna need floral wire, and I'm using a wire off of flowers that I used in a DIY, and I took them off of the stem. So these stems are short and they're perfect for this DIY. So for this rose, I showed you in the last video how to make it and put it together and tape it down, but you will not take down that last petal. And you're going to take the wire and you're going to curl it around that last petal, and this is how you're going to get the stem on. So now this is when I put on the tape under the bottom of that fourth petal that I made, and then I'm going to tape it to the last petal, which is the fifth one that we added on the stem. And there, this is how you get it on a stem. So now I'm making the flower with the wider petals, and this is how you're going to curl each bill using a toothpick. And I found that a toothpick is smaller than the skewer and it's easier and better to use unless you have a quilting tool like this one I have here. So it's better to use the quilting tool or a toothpick to curl the petals. And so now you'll see this is how I added the stem on to each bill, and then you're gonna take all of them and put them together and just twist all of the stems together to create one flower. And then you're gonna just have to move around and play around with each one to make it look like a flower. Here you can see it's starting to look like a wide petal flower and a little bit like a magnolia flower to me. Maybe that's what I would say it looks like. And you just have to keep moving it around. But the good thing about this particular project, you can make it look like whatever type of flower you would like it to be. It's very versatile. And so now next you're going to add the floral tape on here to hold all of the stems together. Now, if you want to see how I use both of these flowers, stay tuned in to my next video. I'm going to show you how I use both of them in a Valentine's bouquet. And stay tuned. If you have not subscribe to my channel, go ahead, click the button and subscribe so you can receive notifications on my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.